bricks. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making some spicy honey garlic wings for you guys. So right here we have roughly 4 pounds of wings. They're still attached and everything like that. For these wings, I love to separate the little drums from the flat parts. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I haven't washed it or seasoned it as yet, as you can see. So I'm gonna go do that really quickly, just wash it, and then I'm gonna show you guys all the list of ingredients that you need. All the measurements and everything like that is gonna be down below in the description box. So if you guys wanna see how these wings come out, then keep on watching. So here we have the wings freshly washed. I just washed them with some vinegar. If you guys want to see the process of how I wash chicken or wings or whatever, then you can refer back to my fried chicken recipe video. I have that link down below. So basically you just wash it, rinse it thoroughly with water until the vinegar smell diminishes, and then lightly pat it dry with some napkins. So that's what I did here. So now I'm gonna move on to seasoning the wings. So I'm gonna be using some garlic salt with parsley, all-purpose seasoning, seasoned salt, crushed red pepper, cayenne pepper, and some black pepper. So once I've added in all the dry seasonings, I'm just gonna go ahead and just combine all the flavors together. So once I've combined everything, the chicken looks like this. What I'm gonna do right now is just cover it and just sit it in the refrigerator to marinate. You can marinate it overnight if you'd like, or you can just do it for like 45 minutes to an hour. However long you choose to allow your chicken to marinate is up to you. Just allow the flavors to soak into it a bit. So as far as the other ingredients go, these are what you're gonna need. So I have some barbecue sauce. This is the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. I really love this. You can use whatever barbecue sauce you'd like. Then I have some minced garlic, honey of course, some Szechuan spicy sauce, butter, oil to fry the wings, and some flour. So the wings have been marinating for literally a day now. So I'm about to start the whole process of frying them. And like I said before, you guys could do it however long you like, but I feel like the more it sits and marinate, the better the flavors soak into the wings. So I'm about to fry them up. So I have my flour right here, and I have a plastic bag. Usually I like using like a plastic bag to coat my wings with flour, but you could use a container, you could use a dish, whatever you like. But all I do is just pour some flour in a bag. Make sure that the bag has no holes in it. So the chicken wings were already seasoned, but I'm just gonna lightly season my flour a bit. All I'm using is some all-purpose, just a little bit. Some seasoned salt. And some garlic salt parsley. And then once I do that, I just mix everything into the flour. Then making sure that your hands are clean, freshly washed, you just start taking pieces of chicken and then just toss them into the flour like this. So you don't want to like do too many at once. So just gonna do this and just make sure that each piece is properly coated and covered in flour. And basically what you're gonna do is just repeat the same process for all of the wings. Once you're doing this, you're gonna make sure that the frying pan or the skillet that you're using is getting heated. So I have this frying pan here on medium heat. Now I'm gonna pour a generous amount of oil in here. You don't need like a lot of oil usually. That should be good. And then I'm just gonna leave this for about 5 minutes to get hot, and then I'm gonna start dropping the wings in to start frying. So when it comes to frying your wings, the rule of thumb is to just allow it to get golden brown on each side before you flip it over. I mean, if it's not done to your desired level of crispiness and goldenness, then you're just going to keep like flipping it over until the wings are fried through how you like them. So I'm just going to leave this to fry for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and turn it over to the other side. So guys, as you can see right now, the wings are starting to like brown a bit. So if you go ahead and just turn them over to the other side. So basically what you're going to do right now is just allow them to fry on the side. I'm going to just keep frying them until they're as crispy as I want them. But yeah, the rule of thumb is to just make sure you keep on turning them over until it gets golden brown. So now we're going to go ahead and turn them over again. As you can see, it started to get like really golden on each side. So I'm going to just do this probably one more time. And don't worry if some pieces get done before the others. You're just going to keep doing each of them until they're done how you want them to get done. So we're going to leave this to keep frying. And then most likely these over here are going to get done first. So we're going to remove them and then just keep frying. So these wings, like this one, is completely done. So what I'm going to do right now is just put them on some paper towel to drain the excess oil. I'm just going to allow these to get done a little bit more, and then I'm going to take them out. So while these are all getting done, I'm just going to go ahead and drop a few more wings. Still waiting for these drums to get done on the inside a little bit more, and then I'm gonna take them out. So these drums are perfect now. I'm about to just remove them. Turn these over. Basically, just wait for these to get done and repeat the process. Okay, so these are done. Just gonna wait for these remaining wings to get done, and then we're gonna do the sauce. So these are the wings. This is how golden I like mine. You can fry them to your desired level of crispiness and goldenness. So yeah. So you want the sauce to start thickening up a bit. So what we're gonna do is increase the heat from medium heat to high. Then I'm just gonna leave this for like 2 to 3 minutes to start thickening up, and then I'm gonna add the wings in. So you can see the bubbles and stuff that are being formed. I'm going to show you guys just how thick the sauce is getting, but you could kind of tell that the sauce is starting to get a little bit thick. I'm going to show you guys the last finishing process that I'm going to do to kind of make the sauce even more thick. So I'm just going to start combining the sauce with the wings. So part of the main reason why they're called sweet and spicy honey garlic wings is because of the garlic that's in it. So what I'm going to do is just add a little bit more garlic all throughout. You only do this if you really like garlic, because I know a lot of people don't like garlic. So just use garlic sparingly if you really are not a huge fan, or you could just leave it with the garlic that I added in earlier. And then I'm just going to go ahead and just combine this all throughout. And then lastly, to make them more sweet and sticky, what I'm going to do is just take a little bit more of my honey and just squeeze it all over. Now I'm just going to lower the heat a bit, back down to medium. I'm just going to add some more sauce over the top of the chicken. And then just leave this for another 2 minutes. And then we are all done. So everything is all done right now. You can go ahead and turn the stove off. I'm going to plate everything and show you guys what the wings look like. So here you have the finished wings. I'm going to go ahead and taste one. This is really good. If you don't want it to be like spicy, then you don't have to put the second batch of pepper flakes that I did. You could just opt that step and just leave the first set of crushed pepper. But super spicy, just how I like it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked today's video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And I'll see you guys in my next video.